might predispose a person into having depression just because you haven't been able to do anything for yourself, you haven't achieved anything, you haven't acquired a job, you don't have a paying job, might lead the person to depression. So we should also have little skill acquisition. Even if our schooling doesn't lead us to having employment, you can create something for yourself. Even if you don't have anything, don't let it lead you to depression. Find a way to make yourself happy. Find a way to make yourself involved. Get involved in social activities. Get involved in hobbies and pleasures that makes you alive again. Don't go and waste your time drinking alcohol. That will even help in destroying you more. Another cause of depression is long-term isolation. You've isolated yourself so much from the world that it feels like you don't belong among any group or any life in your level. Get involved with life. Relationship is part of life. Don't live in isolation. Don't separate yourself from the world. Get involved. Yes, guide yourself so that they don't influence you badly, but get involved with people. Play with people. Go to different activities. Go to ceremonies. Get involved with life and what life about the treatment of depression. So if you have watched this video to this level, I want to remind you again to click the subscription bell so that you'll be getting videos from us whenever we upload any. And also like our videos, feel free to comment. If you have any issue you want us to talk about, drop it on the comment section. Let's talk about it. Okay, so this depression actually have no cure. There are chances of the person relapsing, but it has an active treatment. Active means that you have to work on this treatment to actually get better. Alright, the number one thing you have to do to manage your depression is exercise. Take 15 to 30 minutes of exercise always. Dance, play, involve yourself in some sports, go out, party. You can dance, shake your body, shake up everything. Alright, exercise yourself to let go of this depression. You know that people that have depression, they don't like involving in things that brings pleasure to them. They always like staying lonely. They love staying in isolation. So when you do things that opposes what this depression is all about, it kind of frees you from the depression. Okay, so get involved in exercise. As much as you don't have the strength to do things, try and do something. Get someone to motivate you to do something. Stay with someone that motivates you to do something for yourself. Okay, the next thing is eat healthy, drink plenty water. I mentioned earlier that a person with depression finds it hard to eat. They might be having anorexia, that's lack of appetite. So they have to eat to avoid this depression getting into a worse state. Eat healthy diet, an adequate diet, and make sure you consume a lot of water. Alright. The next treatment or management of this depression is express yourself. If you're having any issue, express it out. Express yourself. Don't allow low self-esteem to cage you. Express yourself as much as possible. If don't hold on to things you want to say, but you feel like you don't want to say it, that the person will not be offended. I know you have to guide the way you talk, but learn to express yourself. Someone does anything wrong to you, go to them, tell them what you did, I don't like it. I will appreciate it if you don't do it again. Express yourself. Don't go in crying. Don't go in thinking that you're not worth it. Don't go in thinking that you deserve to be talked to like that. No, nobody deserves abuse. Speak out. Express yourself. Whatever you're going through, express yourself. Even if it's a terminal illness, express yourself. Go to the healthcare facilities and get healthcare attention. Express yourself. You have to learn to open up. Sometimes opening up brings in the solution we deserve. So express yourself always. Don't hold it back and let it lead you to depression. No. And the next one there is don't dwell on problems. This is another management of this depression. Don't dwell on your problems. There are some positive parts of life. Don't always have to dwell on the negative parts. Don't let negativity consume you. Negativity brings about many different things. It brings about jealousy, brings about envy. So don't live in negativity. Look at the positive parts of life. Don't dwell in your problems. You're not the only one with problem. Everybody have their own problem differently. You don't know what the other person is suffering from, but don't let your problem consume you. Don't focus more on your problem. When you focus on the problem, you make it more and more problem to you. When you move your mind from your problem, it kind of solves it somehow. So don't focus more on your problem. When you focus on your problem, it consumes you. Remove your attention from your problem. Don't dwell in your problem. You're not the only one with problem. Life is an endless series of problems. In fact, the solution to one problem seems like the beginning of another. That's life. Life gives you things that challenges you to be better. So don't dwell on those things. Know that you can make things better. Know that you can be better. Know that you can be even more than you are. So don't focus on those problems. Focus on the positive part of life. The fact that you are alive. The fact that you are still breathing. The fact that you still have your loved ones with you. Even if you don't have your loved ones with you. The fact that you are a person. That you're existing. Be happy for yourself. Don't look down on yourself. Don't say, oh, I'm ugly, she's beautiful. Don't compare yourself. Don't focus on your problem. Even if you're not physically beautiful, something about you makes you beautiful. Focus on that part of you that is beautiful. Don't dwell on your problem. Okay? And the next management of this depression is notice the good things about yourself. Everybody has something that makes them special. I mean, when God created us, He said it is good. Meaning that something about you makes you special. Something about you makes you good. Focus on the good part of life, the positive part of life. Don't dwell in your misery. Don't dwell in your problem. Find out that thing you can do better. Even if you're not academically intelligent, something about you is intelligent, maybe not in the academic level. So look into yourself. Know your purpose. Don't compare yourself with someone. They have their own life to give account of. They might be intellectually inclined, so what? Something about you makes you beautiful. You might be physically strong. Yes, use that. That's your energy. That's something that is good. Use that to your own advantage. Don't dwell in your problem. Look into the positive part of you. Something makes you beautiful. Look into that thing that makes you beautiful. Okay? Then the last management to this depression that's the medical management. That's drugs, medications. Medications that can counter this depression and make you whole again. They are called the antidepressants. So you take prescribed drug. Don't take the drug by yourself. Don't take an unprescribed drug. Take the prescribed drug so you can know the dosage for those drugs, when to take it and when not to take it. Okay? Take prescribed antidepressants to help you fight against depression. Remember that the neurotransmitters, when not in their normal level, can cause depression. This is not physical trauma causing it now. It's not personality causing it now. It's now your brain. So this antidepressant actually work